How to update DNS records in Hostinga. To update DNS records in Hostinga, start by logging into your Hostinga account and accessing the hPanel dashboard. Once you are logged in, click on the Manage button next to the relevant domain to enter the domain management area. In the Manage section, find and click on DNS Name Servers to access the DNS settings for your domain. In the DNS management area, you will see several tabs, including DNS Records, Child Name Servers, DNS SE, and DNS History. Click on the DNS Records tab to view the current DNS records associated with your domain. To add a new record, select the type of record you want to create from the drop-down menu, such as CNAME, or TXT. Fill in the required fields, including the record name, content, and TTL, time to live. After entering the necessary information, click the Add Record button to save your changes. If you need to edit or delete an existing record, you can find the record in the list below and use the provided options to make changes. For editing, simply modify the necessary fields and click Update. To delete a record, click the Delete option next to it, which will remove the record without requiring further confirmation. After making any changes to your DNS records, remember that it may take up to 24 hours for the changes to propagate across the Internet. If you encounter any issues during this process, ensure that your domain is correctly pointed to Hostinga's name servers, as DNS management is only available when the domain is using Hostinga's services.